I got a phone call from a client referral, and they're wanting to list their lot in Bluff Estates in Dunlap. So we are going there to check it out and film a little footage. This is not like any other community you can find in the Sequatchie Valley. Actually, pretty unique to this entire area in general. Thousands of acres here. It's a gated community. There are amenities, walking trails, ponds, natural lakes, and extremely scenic views. They've done some clearing, and it is going to be amazingly beautiful. A great view of the valley, and it's just waiting for a new build to happen.